Hey guys, it's Jacob Ray here, back with another video. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down my step-by-step plan on how I'm going to scale my agency from 125K a month, where we're currently at, all the way to 250K a month and beyond, right? So I'm going to be giving away that step-by-step plan. So that being said, I'm going to dive in, share my screen, and go over that, and hopefully you guys get some value from this video. What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to be breaking down my plan to get my agency from 125K a month to 250K a month, my step-by-step plan. So hopefully you guys get some value from this video and can start implementing some of the strategies that I am going to implement. I have no idea if this is going to work, but this is just what I'm going to do. Till this day, I still don't know what I'm doing, but it's working somewhat, right? So just to start off with some proof and share you guys where I am at in the agency month to date. So month to date from October 1st, October 19th, we've done 115K. So we're going to do a lot better month than last month. I think last month we did like 125, I think. Today has been a great day. We've done 11,483. Yesterday was pretty slow for us, so 3,700. But yeah, so go ahead and kind of dive in. So I like to break up the agency into 7 key pillars, right? So you have the offer, pricing, niche, you have finding leads, setting appointments, closing appointments, onboarding clients, client fulfillment and retention, and then client communication, right? So offer and pricing, I'm going to stick to the same offer and pricing, right? So pay per lead, no setup fees, just $75 per lead, right? So I'm not going to change anything because the marketing we're getting tons of appointments, ton of people inquiring to work with us. I mean, it's been working super, super well. I'm going to keep the niche right now to real estate agents, team leaders, and brokers. I'm really going to start going after team leaders and brokers because they do have bigger budgets. And yeah, they just have bigger budgets and they can spend more on leads, right? Because our top clients are team leaders and brokers, and they stay with us forever. The retention's 10 times longer. The clients are 10 times better. Everything's 10 times better, right? So this is the offer, pricing, and niche I'm going to stay after because it's working, right? And then finding leads, right? So I need to find a source for team leaders and brokers' phone numbers for SMS. So if you have that source, comment down below, DM me on Instagram. I would love to buy data off of you, right? I haven't been able to find like really quality data for this. It's been kind of a pain in the ass, but I'm sure I'll find one. Because the reason I do that is because one of our acquisition channels is SMS. So I need to start texting team leaders and brokers instead of real estate agents, right? And then going on to setting appointments, right? So we're going to keep doing SMS to realtors because that's the bread and butter, right? That is the 80 to 100K a month bread and butter. But I'm starting to hit a capping point right there with real estate agents where we're bringing on so many, and then we're not losing them, but they're pausing leads. So it's like we're kind of in this like circle right now, right, with real estate agents. Whereas the team leaders, they stay with us for 6, 8, 12 months. You know what I mean? So yeah, and then so right now, setting appointments, we are running YouTube ads right now to attract team leaders and brokers. We're starting to get some appointments, and it's working really, really well. So I'm going to keep using that channel to bring those in. And then we're going to start doing some email marketing to leads that have opted in on all of our sites, leads that we didn't close, no show. And we're going to be blasting emails every single day to get people to sign up straight through email, right? So we're going to be doing a broadcast every day because our only source of closing clients right now is literally just demo calls, right? And we've been able to get people on board straight through our website. So we can probably do that with email marketing. I know it's proven to get people signed up straight through there. So I don't think it should be a problem. Another thing we need to do is increase show up rate. So what I'm going to do to increase show up rate, I'm going to get a dedicated setter to just call and confirm calls, because my closers used to do that, but now my one closer used to do that, but now he's starting to get a little overwhelmed and I need to take some tasks off his time. So I'm going to hire another setter to confirm calls just for him, right? Because my setter is just setting appointments right now, not confirming calls. So I'm going to get one dedicated for like 2 hours a day just to confirm calls and handle reschedules and handle no-shows, right? And I need to have 25 book calls between 2 closers. I also need to create a way higher quality VSL and start working on branding, right, in the space. That's another reason why I started YouTube ads. I need to start letting more people know about Close AI, right? Outbound is phenomenal, but the problem with outbound right now, and I'm going on a big rant, guys. I know I'm just kind of just speaking my mind. The problem with outbound is you message one person, and if they don't say yes, they're not interested, we never market to that person again. Whereas ads and retargeting, they might not see the ad and be interested at first, but if we keep retargeting them, keep showing them ads, one day they're going to opt in and book a call with us, right? So yeah, those are kind of our ways to set appointments. So again, just to recap on that part, we're going to start doing SMS to realtors, of course. That's our bread and butter. And then start texting team leaders and brokers, because those are higher quality clients with bigger budgets. We're going to start doing email marketing, broadcasting. I forget the email software that we're going to use. Give me 1 second. Let me pull that up. Got it. So it is ConvertKit. So I'm going to set that up this week and get that rolling. Boom. Like I said, hire a setter to confirm calls, and then create higher quality VSL. So I'm going to make that. So close appointments. We have no bottleneck here. We're closing at 50%. Our just show up rates at 50, our close rates at 50%, our show up rates at 50%. So if I can get that 50% show up rate to like 65, I'd be really happy. Ideally 70, right? And I need to hire another closer. I haven't been able to find another closer that is going to like the commission structure, because my current closer is in the Philippines and he's making about $1,000 a week right now. And that's really great money for him, right? Because we don't do any setup fees, $75 a lead. So I can't give people crazy commissions. So I need to get a closer from the Philippines, or, a country where, it's not US dollar value there, if that makes sense, right? Onboarding clients, our onboarding is streamlined to the T. We have no problem with that. Our service is very productized. Client fulfillment, retention. So I need to start setting expectation that these are seller leads and not listing leads, right? And I need to start coming up with a program and a course videos to teach my agents how to convert these specific leads. So I'm working with a top agent to make a course for us. I'm going to pay him to make a course on specifically how to convert these leads. And I'm probably going to add, I'm not even going to maybe, now that I'm speaking, I'm going to add one Zoom call a week to coach our agents on how to convert these leads, which is going to increase to higher LTV, right? And then client communication is solid. And the reason we were able to do that 11K day today, so we're going to do an upsell and we're going to do a downsell, right, to current clients. So if a client's really loving it and this is like the best thing ever for them, we're going to be like, hey, why don't you buy 100 leads up front for $60, and then you end up saving, $1,500, or like boom, 6K right there, right? The reason I don't like that, I don't like PIFs because it's not reoccurring, but I think it's a good way to get cash in the door, to spend more money on marketing. And then two, if a client doesn't struggling with the service or gets too expensive, this and that, and they want to cancel or they want to do like a long-term pause, we're going to downsell them to $50 a lead, and then sell them for a 30 lead package. So we'll close them for $1,500 for 30 leads at $50. I'll have enough margin there for sure. Not going to be the greatest margin, probably only be at 40% with those, but hey, money's money. Rick Ross always said, never leave money on the table. So we're going to have to do that right there. So yeah, that's kind of my plan, guys. And the funny thing is I went to dinner with a crazy entrepreneurs last night in Miami. Daniel Fazio, who's doing 700K a month. I talked to, what's his name? Champ, who's in crypto. He's doing like crazy numbers as well. Another guy, Antonio, has an 8-figure company. And I just kind of told him my problems, and they kind of just told me to double down on everything that I'm doing. That's essentially what I'm doing. And then they also said, go after better clients, right? Real estate agents aren't the best clients. They don't have a ton of money. So it's like almost a low ticket. But if I can get some team leaders and brokers, like 10 of my clients, right? I have 10 really good team leaders. So if I can just get 50 team leaders that are really good, that's going to get me to $250K a month. Not working with real estate agents, right? I got to work with higher quality clients. And what I mean by higher quality, just bigger budgets, right? People have bigger budgets. They're just so much easier to work with and 10 times easier to get them results, right? So yeah, hopefully you guys got some value from this video. I'm going to be documenting my journey because I'm really focused on getting here. So that being said, if you guys are looking for one-on-one help to scale your agency to 110, 50K a month, wherever you're at, you're looking to double, DM me on Instagram one-on-one. We can see if I can potentially help you there. We can kind of see if I can help because I am doing some one-on-one coaching on the side. So yeah, like I said, hopefully you guys got some videos, but this is my plan, and I'll let you guys know if it goes to shit or if it doesn't go to shit and it works. I guess we'll only know. And another thing too, guys, I want to touch on is my plan to get to 250K a month is not by next month, right? I want to look to do this by like next year in like June. You know what I mean? Like I have a really big long time horizon on this. I'm not expecting this to do this next month or anything like that. I actually don't even plan to have any type of timeline on doing 250K a month. I'm just going to build without any expectation and just build. And then the right things will happen. I know great things are going to come to me no matter what. And as long as I keep, taking care of clients, getting them badass results, and I keep, marketing, everything's going to come aligned. Keep team members happy, keep them motivated. I know great things are going to happen, right? It's got to double down what's going on. So, yeah. Like I said, if you guys are looking for one-on-one help, DM me on Instagram. My Instagram is down below. It's _Jacob Ray. See if I can help you out. And then other than that, hopefully you guys got some value from this video on my plan. But that's my plan. Deuces, guys. Peace.